Hey y'all, this is your girl Jessica with Miley Made Me Do It. Okay, so this is really not a tutorial. This is kind of, I want to call it a, a copycat version of, like, okay, let me start out by saying, I like Matilda Jane. I think it's so cute. I love it. But I'm not about to spend that type of money, especially when I can sew. And I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all can relate to me. But I saw this dress here and I was like, you know what? Let's see if I can redo it. Okay, let me see if I can copycat it and let's see how it'll work. So I ordered this fabric from Hawthorne Thread. I'm not sponsored by them at all. Hopefully they see this video and they will. But I got this fabric from there, and I'll link in the description box the the website and where you can just find this fabric at if you want it. So I got this from Hawthorne Threads, and this and the stripe knits. Okay, so I am going to use the London pattern. Okay, that's like my go-to pattern. I love that pattern so much. Super easy. It's gonna take a little longer because I am going to add the ruffles on the bottom of the London dress. Okay, and I have my neckband here. I got the full circle skirt already cut out, my arm pieces here, my front and back of my bodice, all of my ruffles, and I'm going to also do the little tab that you see over there on the side. I just got to figure out a measurement on how I want to do that, and that's probably gonna be last because I really want to get the hard part done first. So I'm not gonna go step by step. If you want to see how to make this London dress, you can click my the link at the top here. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so right now I'm in my serger and I've already went ahead and put my bodice together. So I am attaching my ruffles, at my piece, and then since this fabric curls up a lot, I just went ahead and serged off. Just try to give it some stability on both raw ends. Okay, so now I'm finding the center so I can quarter off my neck line and my neckband. Okay, so our neckband is attached and I am going to attach my sleeves. Alright, so here's my tab. I cut a 3 by 5 inch little tab, and so what I did, I am folding in my raw ends, 4 ends by 1/4 inch, and then finding the center, and then popping that baby again, and then I'm just gonna top stitch it. Alright, so I got my tab top stitch. Now I am going to fold it in half, and I'm going to, I think I measured up about 1 inch from the sleeve here, and I am going to just sew my button on top of my tab here. So I decided to bring in the marking tool just to give myself a little guide on both sides of the sleeve. Okay, so that's what my sleeve tab looks like. Up with the skirt. Alright, so I went ahead and got all those looks off camera. And I've also already went ahead and pinned my circle skirt and use my hem